In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the black screen issue of OBS and Windows 10. Sometimes you want to show to the people what you're doing on the screen, but that can become real bad if you cannot show the people what you're doing on the screen because the screen is completely black. To fix this issue, the first thing you need to do is double click to open the app. As you can see, my screen is black. So what you need to do is go to your desktop, right click on any empty space, click on display settings, scroll all the way down and click on graphic settings. Now, what you need to do is leave this as a desktop app, not Microsoft Store app, as a desktop app. Then click on browse, go to your local C drive, go to program files and search for the OBS folder. Then double click to enter the folder, go to bin folder and click on OBS 64 and click on add. Mine is 64-bit version. If you're on 32-bit operating system, it will show as 32-bit. Then from here, click on options. The reason your OBS is not showing anything on the screen, it is because it's trying to capture the screen from the NVIDIA. Well, you shouldn't do that. You should be capturing the screen from the Intel graphics. So, to capture the screen from the GPU graphics, simply click on Power Saving Mode. That way, it will capture the screen from the CPU graphics card, not the GPU. Then, once that's done, click on Save. Then, close OBS, open again. And that's it. That's how you can fix the black screen issue of OBS and Windows 10. If you still have questions, be sure to comment on the comment section below and I'll be glad to help you. This is Chris Tech Technology and I'll be catching you on the next video. Have a good day.